Imaging science gives a lot of importance to image processing. Now, before discussing what image processing is all about, let's try and see if we do actually come across it in the real world. Now, what happens when you go out? Suppose you're on a holiday somewhere, very beautiful place, and you pick up the phone and you call your friend up, and your friend is like, "Oh wow, nice place you're talking about, tell me more about it." And you try and describe the whole view in front of you by using some sort of characteristic features of that place. Now, something like couple of palm trees here and there, something like that, right? And I know everyone has got a smartphone these days. Everyone can just click a picture and send it over to wherever they want. But it's not that situation. For understanding's sake, let us think that we are back in olden times and we are trying to tell our friend there what this looks like, what this place looks like. So, when we are giving out information about the whole image of the place that is in front of us, our friend is analyzing that information. Same thing is what happens in image processing. Image processing is just a method to convert an image into a digital form and perform some operations on it in order to get an enhanced image or extract some sort of useful information from it. Now, usually image processing system includes treating images as two-dimensional signals while applying already set signal processing methods to them. Now, it's a type of signal dispensation in which you take the input as like an image or like a video frame or a photograph, and the output may be some characteristics associated with that image. It's one of the most rapidly growing technologies of today with its applications in various aspects of a business, and it forms core research area within engineering and computer science disciplines too. Try and scratch your brain if you can find some easy application of image processing. I'll give you one: fingerprinting. Such a big area where image processing has to be used. So hopefully by now you think the subject is somewhat interesting. Now, how do we start? So where do we actually begin? We begin by importing the image with some sort of an optical scanner or by digital photography. Then we analyze and manipulate the image, which includes data compression, image enhancement, spotting patterns that are not to human eyes, like satellite photographs. Now, next will be the output, which is the last stage, in which the result can be an altered image or some report that is based on the image analysis. Now, let me tell you what is the purpose of image processing. First of all, they've divided the purposes of image processing into 5 groups. The first group is visualization. Observe the objects that are not visible. This is called visualization. Second, image sharpening and restoration. Why would we need that? Why would we need to sharpen an image? To create a better image. Third, image retrieval. Seek for the image of interest. If you want it, you seek it. So you retrieve it. Now, measurement of pattern is the fourth one, which basically measures various objects in an image. And image recognition, to distinguish the objects in an image. So these are the 5 purposes of image processing: visualization, image sharpening and restoration, image retrieval, measurement of pattern, and image recognition. All in all, it's an intelligent and concise summary of the contents of images. Now, we call it intelligent because the task is to break out of the basic numbers. When a photograph is taken, every pixel in it has a sort of more brightness, less brightness, whatever it is. It's represented in the form of numbers. Now, we want to break out of those, just the number level, and move on to a more descriptive analysis of the image, and concise because we break it down to some specific information chains, and we don't just keep on rambling about what the photograph contains. So now, what are the contents of the images? What do they look like? Now, when we talk about the contents of an image, we talk about going in from the down below, consisting of very basic information, to climbing down the semantic ladder and going on to very high level information or abstract information, something that you would think when you are looking at some image in an art gallery. Say, you would wonder, is that an elegant look, a grim look, a funny look, a cute look, or how sick or how healthy is this person? Now, some of the basic thoughts would be like, how blurry is it? Are there any edges in it? Are there regions that are all the same color or texture? These are like the basic things that come. When you go higher and higher up the ladder, you would come to more abstract notions, and that is what we want to reach up to. In summary, image processing is an intelligent and concise description of images. Our next video will cover more